They've stood for over 4,500 years. Yet no blueprint, no cranes, and no digital models were ever used. So how did ancient Egyptians build the Great Pyramid of Giza, one of the most precise, massive structures in human history? Today, we're uncovering not just how it was built, but the brutal engineering challenges they had to solve first. It all started around 2600 BC under Pharaoh Khufu. The goal? A tomb unlike anything the world had ever seen. The result? Over 2.3 million limestone blocks, some weighing up to 80 tons. A monument standing 146 meters tall. But before they could even stack the first block, engineers faced their first challenge. They needed a perfectly flat, stable surface in the desert. Any slope, and the pyramid would collapse under its own weight. So they carved channels into the rock and filled them with water. Wherever water spilled over, they shaved the stone lower. What they ended with was a surface less than 2 centimeters off level, across a 13-acre base, with copper tools, in the desert. But how do you move 80-ton stones with no wheels, no iron, and no machines? One answer: friction control. Workers likely dragged sleds over wet sand, a trick that reduced resistance by up to 50%. That simple technique helped transport stones over 500 miles, from the Aswan quarries to the Giza Plateau. Engineers didn't just rely on muscle, they relied on physics. As the pyramid rose, lifting became the next big hurdle. Most theories suggest ramps, either in a straight line, zigzagging around the structure, or even spiral designs. These ramps grew with the pyramid. As each level was built, the ramp was extended, giving workers a continuous slope to push the next stone upward. Ingenious, scalable, and effective. Even more shocking is the precision. The base is nearly a perfect square. The 4 sides align with the cardinal directions, within 0.05 degrees. Inside, passageways are so level, modern engineers still marvel at how they did it. Most likely, the use of simple tools, like plumb bobs, leveling cords, and the stars themselves. It took 20 years, tens of thousands of workers, and unimaginable dedication. But the pyramid still stands, without mortar, without reinforcement, and without collapsing. It wasn't alien tech. It was human brilliance. Ancient Egyptian engineers weren't just builders, they were master problem solvers. The Great Pyramid isn't just a tomb, it's a message from the past. We understood the earth, the stars, and the power of design. If you love how history meets engineering, subscribe for more. This is History Engineered, where the past is rebuilt by genius.